AccuWeather forecast, we are really highlighting heavy rain moving in by Wednesday across portions of the region. This morning, though, it is beautiful out there. A live look at Santa Cruz. So the forecast today is a quiet one. A good day to get those storm preps underway, especially those in the North Bay. Inland will be in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Partly cloudy skies around the Bay shoreline later on this evening as we fall into the 50s after 5 p.m. Then along the coast, you just saw that beautiful picture from Santa Cruz. Lots of sunshine and highs staying in the 50s. So a couple of degrees below average, but all in all, no issues with the forecast the next 24 hours when it comes to our daytime highs. Upper 50s to the lower 60s. We have that freeze warning in effect for the North Bay beginning at midnight, where areas like Santa Rosa, San Rafael, Napa, mid and low 30s overnight tonight. Around the Bay shoreline from Fremont to the city, Oakland, upper 30s to the mid 40s. So area wide, it is going to feel cold first thing tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, you'll just notice an increase in cloud cover, and then the rain does arrive here starting on Wednesday. On the ABC 7 storm impact scale, it is a level 2, a moderate storm. We're highlighting the highest impacts in the North Bay, and that is where we'll have the flood risk starting Wednesday. Outside of the North Bay, the risk is a lot lower when it comes to any sort of flooding because of the track of the current storm system. So here's future weather. Let's talk about Wednesday. The tail end of the morning commute. Here's 8:30. We're tracking heavy rain moving on shore in the North Bay. That's the yellows and oranges you see on your screen. A lot lighter as you head south and east. In fact, the South Bay likely mainly dry first thing Wednesday morning. Just notice how that plume of moisture, it just stalls over the North Bay. Here's 2:30. We'll fast forward into Wednesday evening and it doesn't budge. And I'm stopping it here because it really highlights the difference in rainfall totals we're going to end up with. You notice outside of the North Bay, it's really quiet. We have mostly cloudy skies across the city, Oakland, San Jose, but the North Bay is just getting inundated by heavy rounds of rain. So we're really highlighting this area in yellow, and we can't talk about this area enough. If you live in this area, that's Cloverdale, Middletown, Healdsburg, Santa Rosa, Ukiah, Navarro, even Knoxville, St. Helena, you really want to get those storm preps underway because we're tracking a lot of rain, not only just Wednesday, but for the rest of the week. So here's a look at Wednesday's rainfall. Several inches around Santa Rosa, Clear Lake, Ukiah. Outside of those areas, it's not all that bad. We're talking low rainfall amounts. Watch what happens on Thursday. Watch this area specifically. Watch those numbers climb. We're talking half a foot of rain by that time in some portions of the North Bay. And then by Friday, we get more rain area-wide finally. That storm track is on the move. But by Friday evening, there will be some areas in the North Bay that likely receive more than a foot of rainfall. And that's why we're highlighting the flood risk there. So here's the AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Sunny and breezy today, increasing clouds Tuesday. Then Wednesday and Thursday, the highest impacts will be felt in the North Bay. By Friday, that storm track is finally on the move south and east. That's when we become widespread with that rain and wind. Then some leftover scattered showers Saturday and Sunday.